Hey everybody, welcome.
Hey Bam.
So we're doing an episode here that we kind of, I don't want to say interrupted, but we did a road trip. Not really a road trip, just a trek across the country, right?
Yeah, it was a beeline.
Yeah, beeline.
Yeah.
But we did it dry camping the entire way.
And boondocking, which is one and the same, but
Yeah.
yeah.
We didn't make any reservations. We just got in and
Parked it.
pointed to the east and drove. And decided, okay, we're going to dry camp, and on the way when we decided to stop, Joanne and I got on the computers and the old interweb and found places to just park.
Yeah, or boondock, or...
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
We had a good time.
But on the way, we decided to make a little detour.
This was to my, I don't want to say begging. but,
It's been one of your bucket lists.
yeah, and we were going to sort of forsake it and move on, but we were so close.
Yeah,
He tricked me and took me.
did. I kind of surprised her a little bit.
Yeah.
So we made this stop and we went sledding in the desert.
We attempted, yeah, but it was a great time. The place is magical.
It was very cool. So sit back, relax, and enjoy our little trip to White Sands National Park. Or actually, they call it a national monument, don't they?
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Not a national park.
I was a national monument in there trying to sled.
Yeah, you gotta wait till you guys see this. All right, check it out. Scoot your buddy.
Too heavy.
You got to put your weight in the back. Bring the front up. There you
Go
go.
over, you're dead. You should go.
You want me to shove you?
No, because I don't trust you. Oh, here we go.
There you go. You gonna scoot the whole way? Come on, Joe the scooter. There you go.
Too heavy.
Lean back. You gotta lean back.
Really, buddy?
There you go. Well, that's ridiculous. All right, well, now that you made a path, you might be able to get down the same path.
Yeah, they said if you make a path.
I'm done.
What? That was the first one.
I had to push myself the whole way.
Well, now you got a path. You got a runway. All right, let me give you a shove.
No, go away.
There you go.
You can see every time I stop. Okay, what's wrong? What's the matter? What is going on?
Now you made it better.
Don't do it. Oh, let me go down on this.
Yeah, try that. You gonna start a new path?
No, this one.
This is not gonna work. But she thinks it's going to be beautiful.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get soaked.
Okay, let her rip.
That's it.
Come on, honey. You said that's going to go great. Yeah, sit in the backpack. Roll it all the way up towards you. This is not going to work. Go put it on the truck. You want to carry it all the way?
Stay right there, buddy. I got this.
Thank you.
You bet.
Here, I'll send you the saucer.
Oh, never mind. It's on.
Or do you want to sit on that later? Somebody's not happy with me. Here comes Joe, finding the perfect dune to slide down.
My last wipeout wasn't wiped out enough.
And this is a magical place.
It is.
Look at this.
It is. It's just, it looks pretty cool over there. I got it close to me.
All these dunes were made from gypsum. This is the largest above ground gypsum area on the planet. There is only 2 of them. The other one is down in Chihuahua, Mexico. But this one basically over the years has eroded the mountains, and the gypsum came out, washed down here from the rains and snow, and dried up and got wet again and dried up over billions of years and created these dunes of gypsum. Again, the only one in the world, according to all these info signs we're reading around the park.
Was that what I hit?
You used to drive here, but now it's the dunes taking over.
Yep.
As you see down here, you're starting to see the ridges where the sand is being blown. Come on, baby.
Oh man, I'm gonna bite it again.
You should take these existing ones, but we'll see.
Oh my God, I'm thinking this is a bad idea already. I'm gonna go over.
Let her rip.
Oh, and a safe landing!
Nice.
Except for you and Neil. This is hard. I almost fell coming up here. Oh. Last one. Only because I can't walk up it. I need a lift.
Right? Where's the chairlift when you need it?
Oh no! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh shit! Darn it! Oh.
All right, Joe, you done with the sled?
I am. And since this was given to us, we were going to buy it off of somebody that was done with it. They gave it to us because somebody had given it to them.
Right.
We're going to pay it forward and give it to somebody else that needs one.
Yeah, we should sign it first. Do
My
we have a marker
birthday.
back in the truck?
We do.
Wish we had a sticker with us.
It's okay. I'll
Oh well.
stick it. Okay.
We'll go back to the truck.
Get a Sharpie?
Now, mind you, it's a
Orange.
half-mile walk back to the truck. Not so bad.
Yeah, if you're not, if you can hear me
Yeah, we're winded.
grunting.
This is not at sea level. We are kind of a little at, I think, 4,300 feet here.
And I'm kind of out of shape. Just
But we're going to hike up on over this dune and then down over the next one.
We may not get back there to give it away. Somebody may want it first. I mean to sign it.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
No, friends, we are not near any water.
But if you like the beach,
Yeah, right up.
this is the place to be.
Sorry about that.
All right, so you saw Joe do some sledding off the sand dunes?
Nobody close to 60 should be doing that stuff. Just saying.
No.
At least on camera.
And you'll notice there was no film of me doing the sledding. And there's a physics involved in all of that, and you guys can understand that.
I begged, I pleaded, I bribed. Wasn't doing it.
Wasn't happening. It wasn't happening. I got up and down the dunes okay. It's just flopping down on that little saucer
Yeah.
and going down that. I think I would have more, instead of sledding,
You would have
turned into torpedoes.
Well, a snowball.
Yeah, well, one of those things.
Yeah.
That's why we didn't do that. Anyway, we had a great time. It was one of Joe's bucket list, and we really enjoyed that. We also want to remind you guys, the contest for the 2 cinch bikes, which we'll have a little image right here of the cinch bikes. That contest is over, and you have up until
This Friday.
this Friday at midnight to go ahead and put your entries in. Now, if those of you that's been playing along, there's been thousands of you playing along. If you've been collecting all of the clues and you know what the phrase is, putting them all together and spelling out the phrase, type out the entire phrase in the contest form. And you just put that on this episode number here, and you put that in the entry form of what the entire phrase is. Remember, you get an extra 10 points, or 10 entries,
10
I should
entries,
say,
right.
by getting this correct. So do that, and you get those 10 entries. And if you're a member,
You get even more goodies.
Yes, you get 20 entries.
That's right.
In fact, members...
For every entry, right?
Right. So,
All right answer.
members, every time you've entered the contest, instead of 1 entry, you got double the entry. So that's a little bonus or benefit of being a member, a bucket list buddy, as they say.
Yeah, partnering with us.
Right. And again, remember, you have to be a subscriber to this channel in order to get credit or to get counted.
That's right.
So if you've been playing along and you haven't been a subscriber, the system automatically kicked you out. If you are a subscriber, then your entry counted. So hopefully you guys hit that subscribe button. Now, for those of you that are just tuning in and say, hey, I want to play, all you have to do is go back to episode 3.55. Episode 55, season 3. So 3.55, and start watching the clues start in that video right there.
And then every single video up until now.
Up until the last video.
Last video, sorry.
The last video,
Right.
we were having clues. So again, for 10 extra points or 10 extra entries, I keep saying points.
Yeah.
Go ahead and put the phrase together in the entry form off of this video.
I want points. I want lots of points.
You got lots of points and pointers and all sorts of things. You're overloaded in that.
I am negative points.
So, we hope you all enjoyed playing the game and getting a chance to enter for these beautiful 2-cinch bikes by Aventon. And we want to thank Aventon for putting this together and allowing us to give these bikes away. Now, just to mind you, these are not used bikes. These are brand new bikes in a box.
They will be shipped directly to you. I'm sorry.
That's right. They will be shipped directly to you from Aventon
Right.
once we announce the winner on Sunday.
Yeah.
And we got a couple other things coming up with Aventon
Yeah.
that we're going to be doing maybe after the first of the year. So stay tuned for that. So that's it for this episode. All right. Don't forget to be the click monster and hit the little like, subscribe, and ring that little bell and all that kind of stuff. And leave your comments below. We really appreciate that.
Yeah.
And we look forward to talking with you guys live. Again, it's live on Sunday, the 30th.
6:30.
At 6:30 Central Time.
Central Time. Central Time, 6:30.
Right. Is when we're going to be announcing the winner. And again, we're live. So tune in for that. Anything else?
Make it a great bucket list day.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
See ya.
See ya.